This is the quick guide for upgrading your silicone bag strap upgrade kit. Step 1, unscrew a pair of M5 by 74mm bolts and nuts, which is this and these. Step 2 is to pull out the lower hinge tube here. And step 3 is to remove the bag bottom support, but you have to hammer it through here in order to pull out the bottom support. Step 4 is to remove the left and right bottom saddle arms, which are these. Left and right. And then install the upgraded silicone bag strap bottom arms where the previous ones were, and reinstall the pair of bolts, M5 by 74mm, and reverse the 3 steps that we took earlier. Make sure to align all the holes to match up the bolts.